go. Good day, everyone. We are the Group 2.
I am Marlis A. Cababaro.
I am Richelyn Maisy Batlag.
I am July Canapel Patlag.
I am Jess Abalasi.
I'm Daisy Marie D. Daguan.
And we are assigned for the HR Management Organization.
What is HR management in an organization? As a practice, businesses and organizations depend on three key resources: physical resources such as materials and equipment, financial resources including cash, credit, and debit, and people. There can be no doubt that people play a vital role in an organization or business as a resource. Having a thorough strategy, a marketable product or services, and efficient processes are all important. But all of this depends on the ability of the people within the organization to execute strategies, plans, and processes to make a business successful. Every part of business boils down to people, and by managing people, organizations can be more profitable, lead more effectively, create brand loyalty, and do a better work. Human resource function of every organization defines the success as an organization. An organization HR function plays a major role in the growth of its bottom line and success of its business strategy. The very nature of a company is in its people, and giving direction to people in what human resource management is all about. HRM provides an organization with the best services and systems derived from both profit and team synergy. Let's dig deep into this and understand what is HRM. According to the Harvard model of human resource management created by Michael Beer, human resource management is a strategic approach to the employment, development, and well-being of the people working in an organization. Human resources management involves all management decisions and actions that affect the relationship between the organization and its employees. In other words, it's human resources. HRM refers to the management of all decisions within an organization that are related to the people. It concentrates on making the most of the human resources that at the disposal of organization and enhances the performance of employees to achieve the organization's objectives. HRM ensures the seamless and effective application of policies and processes in business. HRM is there to keep the balance between employee needs and satisfaction and organization's profitability and capability to reach the objectives in practice. However, HRM is a tool used to try to make optimum use of human resources, to foster individual development, and to comply with government mandates. Larger organizations typically have HRM department and its primary objective is making company's goals compatible with employees' goals. For a company to attain its goal, it must have employees who will help it attain them. An efficiently functioning HRM aids workforce of an organization to contribute efficiently and effectively towards the overall achievement of an organization's goal. To understand HRM, the function of HRM must be taken into consideration. The functions of HRM are managerial, operative, and advisory.
Managerial functions include planning. The planning function of HRM ensures the best fit between employees and jobs while avoiding manpower shortages or surpluses for an organization. There are four key steps for HRP process: analyzing present human resource supply, forecasting human resource demand, and balancing projected the human source demand with supply, and analyzing the first three steps to organizational goals. Organizing. Organizing is the function of HRM that involves developing an organizational structures to ensure the accomplishment of an organizational goals. The structures is usually represented by an organizational chart while providing a graphic representation of a chain of command with an organization. Directing that includes activating employees at different levels and making them contribute maximum towards organizational goals. Tapping maximum potentialities of an employee via constant motivation and command is a prime focus for this function of HRM. Controlling post-planning, organizing, and directing performance of an employee is to be evaluated, verified, and compared with organizational goals. If performance is found to be deviating from the plan, control measures are to be taken. Operative functions include recruitment and selection. Recruitment and selection creates a pool for prospective candidates and selects the right candidates for the pool. According to the study by Allegis Group, 83% of organizations believe attracting and retaining talent is a growing challenge. Job analysis and design. This HRM functions includes describing nature of the job, including the requisite qualifications, skills, and work experience for a specific position with an organization. This function is crucial in helping combining tasks, duties, and responsibilities in a single work unit to achieve organizational goals.
Policies HRM functions by drafting, revising, publishing, and implementing the organization policies, which are essential for the fair treatment for all the employees. Employee welfare. This function takes care of numerous services, benefits, and facilities provide to an employee for their well-being. According to a study by MetLife, 51% of employers says using health and wellness benefits to maintain employee loyalty and retain talent will become even more important in the next 3 to 5 years. HRMS HRMS These functions involves recording, maintaining, and retrieving employee related information includes employment history, works, hours, earnings history, and ethics. Advisory functions includes
There are some importance of HRM. Number one, recognizing and valuing individuals. HRM acknowledges every employee's worth within the organization, suggested that the organization recognize value, individuals, and contributions. And number two, people bring ideas. HRM manage people bring new skills and ideas into the organization and fuel the growth of business. And number three, quality of work life. Quality of work life is a legitimate concern and that employers have a right to safe, clean, and a pleasant surrounding, which is one of the most responsibilities of HRM. In number four, upskilling is a long-term interest. Upskilling is a long-term interest is HRM recognize the need for continuous learning, talents, and skill must be continually refined in the long-term interest of the organization. In number five, facilitate continual worker adaptation. Opportunities are constantly changing organization need methods to facilitate continual worker adaptation and HRM provides the organization with those methods. In number six, employee certification. Employee certification is people have a right to be satisfied by their work and organizations have a responsibility and a profit motivation to try to match their skills with their job. So, in number 7, beyond technical training. So, in beyond technical training, HRM has a much broader scope than technical training. Employees need to know more than the requirements of a specific task in order to make their maximum contribution.
Here are the benefits of HRM. Number 1, strategic management. HRM enhances the company's bottom line by triggering positive output, leading to an organizational success. Leaders with expertise in HRM participate in corporate decision-making that underlies human resource decision. It means madiscarte ta sa atong as an HRM sa pagdumala o mapakita nato atong output o mainhinungdan sa paglambo. And then number 2, mission, vision, values, and goals. HRM, when handled strategically, contributes to an organization's mission, vision, values, and goals. This in turn enables employees to see where they fit within the organization and helps shape and define the rules. Means mission, then pagtanaw nato og kinaiyahan og katuyuan nato as an HRM. Number 3, branding internally. Creating a positive brand about the organization for its employees and internal stakeholders is an important responsibility of HRM. Tatak sa kalooban nga magbuhat tag positibo aron maipakita nato nga as an HRM. Number 4, creating awareness for employees. HRM build workplace awareness by providing complete information to employees of their function and governance. It means gabuhat tag bantayanan sa mga employees. Balantayan sa mga employees. Number 5, maintaining a conducive work environment, a favorable work environment with the organization where the employees can have both hygiene factors and motivation is taken care of by HRM. Magpabilin ta nga hapsay ang atong palibot as sa trabahoanan nato. Number 6, talent management. This is one of the important responsibilities of HRM. HRM remains committed to recruitment and selection, onboarding, training, management, development, performance management, succession planning, career paths, and other aspects of talent. Pagdumala sa atong abilidad. Number 7, organizational culture. HRM impacts the culture of the organization and has a key role to play in ensuring that an organization culture continues to be supportive and effective. It means kinaiyahan nato sa organisasyon as an HRM. Number 8, conflict management. Conflict are part of any healthy and robust organization. Not everyone always feels the same way, but they need to develop effective working relationship for contribution and productivity. Kung ano siya, pag dumala ng hidwaan as an HRM, kinahanglan tang kabalota mudala sa mga tawo kay naay mga conflict kara trabahante. Aguna siya, mag-conflict na siya. That's all.